Okay, so now we'll create some image to video workflows. And this is an example. This is the image that was used to create this video. And this is how the video comes out. And that's pretty good, I think. Here's another one. Another one. Another one. And even one just using a photo from my phone. Okay, so what you just saw was a preview from one of my many lessons on generative AI using ComfyUI. If you want to know more about using AI to generate images and videos, then consider becoming a member of my channel, where you will get full access to all video tutorials on advanced ComfyUI and also on many other specialized IT related subjects. So by becoming a member of my channel, you will help to support me to continue researching, keeping existing course content updated, and also to create new and exciting content on any emerging technologies. Okay, but please note though, if you do intend to join to take part in my ComfyUI course, then you should have a graphics card equivalent or better than an RTX 40 series. This is because in the course, you will generate images and videos locally using your own computer, and it will often be very GPU intensive. So thanks for watching this message so far. And if you want to support my channel, then do please consider becoming a member by using the join option just here. Or there's also a join option just there. And anyway, I hope to see you there. Excellent.